There's a lot of people curious thinking about what NVIDIA is going to turn out for February 2025. I'm not too afraid at all, and I think while we're below 130, I think this is a great dip opportunity. Specifically being below 132, I think this is a really good entry in my opinion in terms of adding shares. If you're looking to go into options, I would be a little bit cautious as it's extremely volatile. You could see a move all the way down to 117. That's also a possibility. I think the worst case, or I would say the best opportunity, is if there is a dip down towards 96. Now, I don't think 96 is going to get tested. I'm not saying it's impossible, but I do have cash on the side just in case there is a dip between 117 and 96. What I personally expect and think will occur is price ranges between 117 to about 132. What I'm waiting for is a resistance test or a break above 132 before we see that gap up towards 142. So 132 to 142 is going to be a gap fill, and I think this does occur going into this week or next week for NVIDIA. So that's something to definitely keep an eye out for. This gap fill towards the top side should be about a 9% test. If 142 serves as a good support level in the future and we break above this resistance, I would then keep an eye out for, and this shouldn't be too long from now in my opinion, a test towards 153. Post 153, we should see that test towards 180, which is my price target for the first half of 2025. And this is my most bearish case scenario. Most bearish case scenario, in my opinion, is that test towards 180 for the first half of this year. Let me know what you guys think about NVIDIA stock. If this analysis was helpful or not, let me know in the comments as well. I do want to share that there could be potential selling pressure close to 142 and 153, and that my personal prediction, of course, isn't guaranteed. I just do believe that we get that test towards the gap fill, 142, test 153, and eventually during this first half of the year, 180 will get tested. If you guys want to join our Discord, we do have a link down below in the description. We talk about due diligence and stock technical analysis there for NVIDIA almost every day. There's a handful of people, around 32,000 members. And last but not least, if you want to join our Patreon, we do have live options alerts on NVIDIA and other stocks as well. It's 90% off discounted right now on Patreon with the link down below in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video for NVIDIA stock.